Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a very big update. So if you're new to my channel, I'm a Goa YouTuber and I do all the latest updates of Goa after lockdown, and you will get all information about Goa, the places to go to, what is open, what is not. So today, the CM of Goa has announced that casinos are opening. The things that you need to know is the standard operating procedures will go on as usual for most places. So 50% of capacity only. You will have to wear a mask, you will have to hand sanitize, temperature checks. These are all your standard SOPs that will be followed. And many people are very happy about this, that casinos are opening. So the 1st of November is the opening date. So you can come to the casino from the 1st of November, and yes, all the casinos will open and the prices should be the same like before. But if there are any price changes, I will do an update. I will go to the casino personally on the 1st of November and do a video there. So you will get all the latest updates about the prices and what is the casino like now and everything. So you will see the standard operating procedure and everything. So guys, I will link all the articles down below of the casino opening so you can see all the information about the casino opening. And please do like and subscribe if you're new, and check out my other videos as well. So thank you for watching.